Whenever you first get into your Tesla, one of the main things and the first things that people tend to notice is the massive screen that dominates the cabin. This is great, however, this screen is a magnet. And whenever I mean a magnet, I mean it has its own gravitational pull to fingerprints, dust, and it's just look real unky and gunky, if that's really a word there. I ran across this product here, and this is not sponsored at all. I really ran across this product, and I absolutely love this product. It's a screen protector by Carwiner. So in today's video, I'm going to install this screen protector, but first we're going to look at how much just the regular Tesla screen, the fingerprints, the dust, and everything. Because I have not installed this yet. I had it before and I absolutely loved it. I took it off for a while so I can go back and share that experience with you, and that way you can see the difference. All right, so right now you can really see just all of the fingerprints. I've actually cleaned this probably about 2-3 days ago, and over the last 2-3 days you can see already. First, hey y'all, do you see me there? It's a glare on the Tesla screen, and also it picks up every fingerprint, every dust. And with the Carwiner, as you can see here, I hope I'm saying that right. However, you can see all of the directions. It's really like a 1, 2, 3, 4 9-step process. Well, I guess what we count installation is complete, I don't know. But let's go on and install it. So the first thing that you want to do in your car is that we're going to go on and set the car to like screen cleaning mode. We're going to go to the car, we're going to go to display, and right here we're going to click where it says screen clean mode. And once we click on there, the screen is now black. Now we're going to go into our box, and then we are going to clean the screen with number 1 and 2. So everything inside of the screen here, hopefully y'all can see this. I'm trying to just go straight through here. So there's a pack that it comes with, and it's already lined out screen protector accessories. And we're going to go on and open this on up, and we are going to clean off the screen with 1 and 2. So we're going to wet it, then dry it. So with number 1, now we're going to apply the wetness on the screen. We're just going to wet it. We're going to wipe down the screen there, just like so. And after we go through there, then we're going to take our dry wipe. We're going to go and open that right on up here. And we are going to just dry it off real quick. All right, so after we did that point, it comes with a cleaning cloth as well. Okay, so let's go on and wipe this down real quick. I did move the car because I felt like the sun was really like making it real dark. And now, after you do that, it says go back into the pack here, and you have like some stickers here. And we are going to use these stickers that comes right into the pack that looks like this. Is a dust absorber. So it says like peel here, and we're just going to hit this, so any dust that may have come off, which I see a few of them already. So we're just going to go through the whole screen real quick, and we are going to any dust that's there, and we're just going to do that real quick. All right, so now after that is done, I'm going to go back to my winder set here, and it says insert the auto alignment installment frame on the screen. So this is great in case if you have bad angle or something, and it says up right here. So we're going to put the auto alignment right there on the screen, and it fit perfectly right on. You probably can't even tell it's there, right? So I put the auto alignment on. And that way, I accidentally touched the screen. Okay, and from there, it's telling us that we are going to take the frame. Be careful, you don't want to like bend it and let it shatter. And this is great because it says this is the back right here, and it says this is the top. So it's literally lining out all of the directions for you. And from there, carefully peel this off. And we're going to be careful not to touch And I am actually going to push it right on there like this, because we want to make sure that our fingerprints or nothing get on it. And we lined it right up into that frame there. So right now it's right inside of the frame. So from there, so as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, we do have some air bubbles there. So with the air bubbles, there is no worry, because inside of the box as well, it comes with a little squeegee, and we're going to place it on top, and we're just pretty much going to push toward the edges just to get all of those air bubbles out. And after we do this, I am going to go on and remove the smart liner here and try to push as much off as we can. Not sure if y'all see his kids riding their bike in the parking lot, kind of making me nervous. I hope they don't crash into me. That would be horrible. Maybe an interesting video for you guys. And I am just going to clear this off. This is how it looks now, and I'm going to put up on the screen right now what it looked like before. And as you can see, look, I'm literally touching. Y'all see the light spot right there? I'm going to touch it, or even the dark spot. Look, and you really don't see any fingerprints. You see the reflection, and I'm actually right in front now waving, and you just see just a little bit because the sun is behind us. From a driver's standpoint, this is what you would see. However, like I said, the sun is behind us, so it's really good. And I'm touching it, you don't see the swipe fingerprints or anything else like that. I just thought about, somebody may even ask, well, what does it look like whenever you're actually on the car, or the response time? Does it affect the response time or the touch time or whatever you call it? And the answer is no. So there you have it. And also I included other accessories here on my Model Y that really enhance my Tesla experience, and I share them with you in the video right there on the top. The other video, all things related to your Tesla and your money, and I will see you in the next video.